Hi, Charlene Brisson, 3-Step Marketing Pro here. Why 3 steps? Because effective marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Welcome to the Marketing Minute, where each week, twice a week that is, I share a marketing tip for you to help you stay on top of your game. And it's only a minute, and I realize I haven't reset my timer, so let's go. We're going to do 1 minute right now. Hey, 3 steps. What are the 3 steps, and why is it that I can bring things down to 3 steps so that it doesn't become complicated? Step 1, know your ideal customer. Step 2, craft a message that speaks to your ideal customer. And step 3, identify effective tactics, marketing tactics that will reach those ideal customers. How do you get to know who your ideal customer is, and why is it important? Because if you don't know who your ideal customer is, you will never be on top of the food chain. Never, ever, ever. Demographics, geographics, psychographics, online psychographics. You need to know that so that you can speak to them. How will you know what your unique selling proposition is if you don't know what will appeal to your ideal customer? How do you find them? Do surveys. Talk to them. Who are your best customers now? You want to find out where they are. All those things I just talked about, geographics, demographics, psychographics, will give you the clues you need to find them. Damn, that minute goes by fast. Okay, thank you for dropping into the Marketing Minute. I'm Charlene Brisson, 3-Step Marketing Pro. We'll see you back here the next time. Now go get at her!